Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to be learning how to book a research consultation with a librarian. This is one of the many resources that Cal State East Bay Library can provide. Working on a research project that's worth a lot of points? Maybe it's a discussion board that you don't know what to talk about. But as a student at CSU East Bay, you can connect with a librarian and they could guide you and help you find articles, books, and other resources for your research. Hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm a student ambassador for the CSU East Bay Library. You can find me and the other student ambassadors at the info desk. We can share you information about CSU East Bay Library, and we hope that you can check out some of the things that we create more in the future. Today we're going to cover 1. How to find library subject guides, 2. How to use Ask Us page, 3. Which subject librarian is best for you, 4. How to book a research consultation with a librarian. To start, one of the first places you check when writing about a topic is to go to CSU East Bay Library website, which is library.csueastbay.edu. Then check the library subject guides. You can find this by the Research by Subject tab. This page shows research guides created by librarians for different disciplines, subjects, and topics. If library subject guides are not enough and you'd rather get additional help, then ask any questions in our Ask Us feature. We have an Ask Us feature on each page, and you can access us on the right side of your computer. You can go to the CSU East Bay Library website and click on Using the Libraries. This will bring you to the Ask Us page. If you have a quick question, feel free to ask us any kind of questions in the chat area. This will connect you to an available librarian, which these librarians can answer any kind of questions to your findings, your citing sources for your research papers and projects. Students can talk to any librarians for general research help. We should reach out to your subject librarian for any discipline or course-specific research question. The best way to know which librarian is best for you is by checking out the link Subject Librarians. This will bring you to the list of librarians at CSU East Bay. Under the librarian's bio, you can see the current responsibilities, which are majors each librarian specializes in. If you keep scrolling down, you will see subjects, and once you find your major, you can see which librarian's name and email address. Now you know which librarian to talk to, feel free to make an appointment with them. Ways to book an appointment with your subject librarian is 1. You can email your librarian to find the best time for each other. Or 2. Book an appointment on the CSU East Bay Library website. Once you book your appointment with your librarian, please try to include information about your project, anything about your essay, so then the librarian can be prepared to help you for your one-on-one. Here's some things to expect in your Zoom appointment with your librarian. You will be sent an email reminder with your Zoom link and time and date. Please try to be early to your appointment so you have enough time to talk about your project. In your Zoom call, you will only have about 30 minutes. If you need to end early or schedule more time, please let your librarian know. No pressure to have your camera on, but it would be nice to have your camera on, of course, but please keep yourself unmuted to keep a clear communication. If you still need to reschedule, please let your librarian know through email as soon as possible. Let's just say you can't make it to your Zoom appointment with your librarian, but you still need help. Remember to mention that in your email so then they can send you information about your topic. If you don't want to have an online consultation, that's okay too. Feel free to email your subject librarian to receive assistance so they can reply back to you soon as possible. CSU East Bay Library offers amazing workshops, which one of them is called Librarian in a Fishbowl. This event happens every Tuesday at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You could get help from a research consultation with one of our librarians, Daisy. This again will be on the 3rd floor of the new core building. If you want to check out more future CSU East Bay Library events, check out this link, library.csueastbay.edu/events, or this QR code on the top left. If you need a link to book a consultation with a librarian, you can scan the QR code or type in library.csueastbay.edu/using the libraries. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you find more resources at the CSU East Bay Library that we can offer to you. Follow our Instagram to get more updates for upcoming events and workshops from the library. We hope to see you in the library real soon.